Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft Java Edition, all right, for PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm just going to go ahead and close my Minecraft launcher right here. As in your case, you're going to need to download it, okay, from the Microsoft Store. So open up your search bar and find Store. Okay, now go ahead and click on Microsoft Store. Wait for it to open. And once it's opened, you're going to want to go to the top, click on the search bar and type down Minecraft. Okay, hit on enter. And then here we have a ton of Minecraft option, but all we got to do is just go ahead and download the Minecraft launcher, as everything right here will be included in the launcher. Okay, click on Minecraft launcher. Now go ahead and hit on get or install right here. Wait for the process to finish. And once it's downloaded or installed, you're going to go ahead and close the Microsoft Store. Now go ahead and go to your search bar and find a Minecraft launcher. There you go. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and copy my settings right here. As you can see, I do have it on my taskbar. Okay, unfortunately though, you can't create a desktop shortcut for Minecraft. So add it on your taskbar. Just got to go to the right panel and click on Pin from taskbar. Okay, I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to go back, Minecraft, Pin to taskbar. There you go. Now you can just go ahead and click on it to open it up, and it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So just go ahead and log in with or sign in with your Microsoft account, and everything right here, okay, including Java Edition, Bedrock Edition, Dungeons, and even Legends is available. Okay. Now, if you don't own a Minecraft Java Edition, it will say buy right here. So go ahead and click on buy. As you can see, it says play, or you have the demo version right here at the top right. You can go ahead and test it out first before buying it. Okay. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit on play, and you're good to go. And that is how you download a Minecraft Java Edition for PC. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.